The devastation from substance abuse led me into enrolling in school to become a substance abuse counselor, which led me into the behavioral health field. I realized that most of the patients I was seeing were struggling with co-occurring disorders or mental health issues as well, which led me to continue to go to school to become a licensed clinical social worker as well. As a social worker, I'm a helper, and as a helper, I want to provide education, resources, information, support. A good day at work involves good conversations, partnering with patients, and also seeing them meet the goals that they have outlined in the beginning of treatment. I believe that hope is an essential part of mental health and substance use recovery, and I believe that when individuals are out of balance, we're here to help them find the balance and the quality of life that they're looking for. When a patient is diagnosed with a medical disease, for instance, one of the things that is impacted is their hope, that they can recover fully or that they can have a full life. So part of that hope is finding what quality of life they can have based on whatever issue they have come to see us for. As a social worker and as a helper, I feel pride that I can help someone find natural supports that they have, or provide education or prevention or resources in the community. I'm just happy to be there and proud. I will always be honest with patients. I will always look for solutions, and I always believe in hope. And I also believe that patients have the tools that they need inside of them, and I want to be there to help them find those tools. I love to learn. I love reading new research and education related to our field, and I love the behavioral health team here at Door County Medical Center. They're compassionate, they're genuine, and they're knowledgeable, and we all support each other as a team. Our priority is always family, and when my husband and I have time, it's all about unwinding. We also fix up an old house together. We love music. We love exploring Door County on small trips, but sitting around a fire with the family and listening to music and laughing is probably the best.